And here's number 0. He spins using the screen. Almost stolen. Max pull up J. Oh, lagi ba? Video number 24. Fix drives. Rameko spin, abitin lays up. Bakit is good? Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palarong Pambansa 2024 para sa laban ng Bicol Region versus Bangsamoro Autonomous Region Muslim Mindanao. And here's the jump ball and first ball possession for Muslim Mindanao. And drives to spin, libre lays up, first block. Bound for Team Bicol. Number 21, wild open for 3, bang! 3 po. Number 21 dito, pass break, 3 versus 2, lays up, PC bucket. And 4-7 score natin. Titira sa 3, no good, rebound, 1 bounce. Naagawan mga idol. Nagmamadali dito si idol. And bounce pass to number 0. Drives, reverse layup, bucket is good. Small bat. And 6-7 score natin. Number 1 dito holds the ball. Pass to the middle, pull up jump, bucket is good. Number 14. Tuloy-tuloy sa pag-atake, lays up. Yes sir. For the backdoor inbound here, number 11, libreng-libre, nice backdoor. And number 14 here, for Team Muslim Mindanao, number 8 na inagaw. Para sa Region 5, pinasa pa, lays, bucket is good. Number 0, for Team Muslim Mindanao, pull up J3, bang! Bullseye! Baseball pass there. 2 versus 1. Pinabitin. Bucket is good. And here's number 0. He spins using the screen. Almost stolen. And attacks. Pull up J. Oh, lagi ba? Number 11. Pass it there. Fix. Clutch. Fire. Bucket is good. And here comes backdoor inbound. Number 15 there. Kicks on the corner. Fix. And dribbling the ball, pass to the middle, launches 3, off target, rebound number 21, for a shot off the glass and knocks it down. Crosses the mid lane, pass to number 21, corner pass, fires 3 ball, bang! Nothing but net for the inbound. And here's number 0, setting the play, doon ka sabi, sa kabila kang isa ka sabi. And number 0, behind the back, oy! Oy! Literal na iniwan! Pero hindi pumasok. Lays up, binawian pero wala. Pot pag shot, the follow-up shot number 21. Sa gitna, pinasa kay number 14, sumigway, side step, lays up. No good, rebound, pupal-pal mula sa likod. And here's Team Bicol na tapikan sa likod. All alone, number 14, easy basket. And here's Team Bicol. Zumigzag si idol, number 12, pass to number 24, crossover, nabitawan, na-recover, naagawan ng tuluyan, long pass here, number 0, all alone, binitbit, easy bucket, number 14, number 1 para sa Team Bicol, number 24, pass to the side, number 8, natapikan, naagawan, here's number 0, pass inside, fires off the glass, bucket is good, number 14, number 24 for Region 5, Bicol Region number 24. Fix, drive, spin, Ameko, spin, abitin, lays up, bucket is good. 22-27 score. Still Team Bicol up by 5. Number 8, drive, sumigway, tumira off the glass, bucket is good. Number 21, pinasasagil, brag, 3 points. And down to 5 ang kalamangan ng Region 5. 6 minutes left on the second quarter. Wild open for 3. No good. Rebound here. And Team Muslim Mindanao number 0 na naman. Behind the back dribble. Pull up J. Nag-basket. No good. And this Team Bicol number 24. And 25-30 ang score natin. And still Region 5 up by 5. And here's number 8. Crossover. Drives, bounce pass, lays up, and back. And here's number 1, number 24, Region 5. Corner 3. Off target. Na-rebound na naman. Number 0 again. And here's number 14. Di diskarte. Picks. Pass to number 14. And drives his spin move. Oops. Sakto yung saktong bola down to 1. 30-29 ang score natin mga idol. And still Bicol Abarin launch 3 bang! And here's Team Bicol again. Drives a chance to add the lead. Ang gandang pasa and the finish. And here's Team Bicol again. Drives, kicks on the corner. Number 21 again for 3 bang! Bullseye. Region 5 number 1. Bicol Region. Umasintalong 2. Short put back shot, number 22. Number 1 to number 21. Sa 3. Off target. Number 14 for the rebound. Cross pass there. Drives. Pass inside. Ang gandang pasa. Wala na naman. Fade away. Bucket is good. And 2 minutes, 15 seconds left on the second quarter. Pass on the inside. Supal lang inabot. Stops, picks. Attack. Side step. Fires. Oop, nakalusot. Si number 14. Sumalida pa. Puso palpal. And here's Region 5. Balls. Possession. Fires. Basket and 1. And 1 minute, 35 seconds left. Spin move and fast and 5. Bucket is good. And at the middle, between the legs dribble. And a good ball. Number 21 here. Pass it there. Floater, easy bucket. Here's number 8, Pinasa and all alone. And easy basket. That's the third quarter. Pull up J at 3. No good. Rebound number 8. 14 Bicol Region. All alone. Number 15. Easy bucket. Number 0 here. 14 Muslim Mindanao. Behind the back dribble. Pass to number 14. Di diskarte dito. Spins. Pass to the corner. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Put back shot still. No good. Nagkatapikan. Put back shot, basket and 1. 8 minutes, 50 seconds left on the pass of the glass. Number 8 for the inbound. Pass to the corner. Number 8 here. Cross pass. Number 7, bounce pass to the corner. Pull up jump. Basket is good. Bound, picks. Step back, fires. No good. Number 7, pass to the corner. Cross pass, number 12. Number 7, stop, pull up, jump log 2. Bucket is good. And kicks first for 3. Bang! Corner 3. And naagawan. Ang taas tumalon nun. Behind the back dribble. Nakalusot. Side step lays. Not good. Oops. Nakalusot, binit-bit, floater, bucket is good. Between the legs dribble, crossover. Naagawan ng tuluyan. Pass on the inside, alley-oop pass, and the finish. Number 21 crosses the mid lane. Umatake ng tuloy-tuloy, lays up. Rebound, halter, no good. And naagaw pa rin number 14, bumalik, Pinasa. Number 11. To number, oops, nakuha ni, number 1, fires, basket and 1. Number 1 for Team Region 5, drives, fires, and number 30. 2 minutes, 30 seconds left on the third quarter. Binit-bit, lays it up, basket is good. Number 8 na po ang kalamangan para sa kumunan ng Region 5. Number 11, binit-bit, lays it up, in and out. Rebound number 29 here, baseball pass to number 8. Goes corner, number 7, attacks, drives, lays it up, bucket is good. Kalahati ang kalamangan mga idol, 41-80, number 7, pass to number 8, to number 24, drives, pulls a floater shot, Bucket is good. Number 9 holds the ball. Pass to the middle. Pass number 8. Naagawan. Baseball pa up. Long pass. And creates less pa. Nagmamadali dito ang Team Bicol. Number 8. Pass on the inside. Reverse layup. Bucket is good. And a long pass here. Pull up J. Bucket is good. Number 12. Phelps Filipino step. Lays up. Yes sir. Long pass. Pinamekos pa. Lays up. Yes sir. And number 21 to number 11. Kumaldag. Basket is good off the glass. Number 0 here. Di diskarte. Crossover drives. Pull up J. In and out. Pass break. Long pass. Number 21. Tuloy-tuloy. Lays up. Yes sir. Number 0 bounce pass. Naagawan. Baseball pass. Eksaktong-eksakto. All alone. Easy bucket. Drives, spins, fires, bucket. Strong rebound here. And the long pass, number 21. Fires off the glass, basket and one. And here's number 14. 14, Muslim Mindanao. And naagawan na naman, pass break. Number 12. Lays up, easy bucket. And number floater shot. No good. Rebound. Number 14. Long pass. And one bounce. Jet is easy basket. Number 12. Pass to the corner. Number 21. Posting up. Kumaldag. Fires. Bucket is good. And here goes Muslim Mindanao region behind the back dribble. Pulls up Jet at the free throw line. And still the rebound, number 21, drives, hook shot, no good, pass break, and once and lays, bucket is good. Number 21 for Team Muslim Mindanao. 4 minutes left on the last quarter, final quarter, launches 3 off the target. Pass break now. 3 on 1. Number 21. Pass inside. Flores Team Bicol. Number 21. Derecho. Pass on the inside. Kicks out. Fires triple. Bang! Triple. Pass break na naman. Number 18. Lays easy bucket. Congratulations, Team Bicol Region 5.